Father, I have two follow-up questions. One is about the consummation of marriage. Now, what if, Father, there are two couples and though they have tried very much, I mean, there's this couple, they have tried very much to conceive, but they don't
Ah,
have a child. Can that be a ground for having annulment?
no. Sterility or barrenness is not a ground for annulment. Iba yon sa impotency. Ano
What's the
yung
difference?
impotency? Yung impotency is the capacity to do the sexual act in a human form. No? For example, ayun pala, masyadong maliit yung male organ na hindi makapenetrate sa female organ. So, there's incapacity to procreate. No? Samantalang yung pagiging baog, yung pagiging barren, um, that is not incapacity. In the sense na, pwede nyo pa rin gawin yung um, marital act, yung sexual act in a human form. No? Pero yung impotency ay yung wala talaga, hindi nyo kakayanin na magawa ng paraan na gawin yung pagtatalik sa pamamagitan ng dalawang tao sa pamamagitan ng human way na tinatawag natin. No? So, in that case, you are no longer fulfilling the um, end of marriage to procreate. No? Pero yung pagiging baog, still, you can do the marital act. Although you cannot perhaps conceive.